Hi there, welcome. Today's recipe is Mediterranean tuna. Okay, first thing what I have done, I have sliced in some onions, some peppers, and some garlic. Then, what we're gonna do, I've got this pot in here. We're gonna turn that on and I'm gonna add some oil. I have chosen a big pot for the reason so then when we dip the tuna into the sauce we have plenty of space, so we do our best not to break in the tuna. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna cook the onions, peppers and garlic what I have sliced before, and I'm gonna add some rosemary, some thyme and some bay leaf too. So we are going to cook this for about a minute or so. Then we add the tomato paste. We cook that really good cooking in there for about 4 to 5 minutes. So we can take that acidity out of the tomato paste. Then we deglaze with white wine, and then we add the chopped tomatoes and the passata. We bring the sauce to the boil, and then we let the sauce simmer for about 1 hour and a half. Then we add the olives, capers, and at the end we will dip in the tuna. I've got some beautiful tuna in here, so that even you can eat that raw as well. I'm going to keep it in the fridge for now. And then when it comes that time, we just, I'm not even cooking the tuna. I'm gonna just dip it into the sauce and let it cook with the heat of the sauce. So now, after we cooked the onions and the garlic and the peppers for about a minute or so, already smells really nice. Now we're gonna add the tomato puree in there. And we are going to make sure that this will mix it up nicely, and we're gonna cook the tomato puree as much as we can. Some others will add sugar to the tomato paste, but I'm not a fan of that. If you cook the sauce really well and the tomato puree well, you will kind of take the acidity of all the tomato puree. Now, in the meantime, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna use pitted olives but still I'm gonna give them a quick chop because sometimes you still find a stone in there, so I do not kind of trust that one. So we're gonna use the olives at the end, but we make them ready. And just to make sure that there is no pitted olives. Now, as you can see, it starts to nearly burning. So now where we can add the white wine in there. And we make sure that we take all the sediment from the bottom in there. Okay, we use the tomato puree as well, so we have a nice thickened sauce. I'm gonna serve this with some lovely mashed potato. So we're gonna, as you can see, look at that. I am even taking the bottom as much as I can, because there's ways you can find the flavor there. Okay, now what we are going to do, we are going to add some chopped tomatoes in there. And of course, we're going to rinse the container. With some water in there. And we are going to add the tomato passata in there as well. And again, we rinse the container. Okay, so now we are going to bring this sauce to the boil, then we reduce the heat and we're going to let this sauce simmer for about 1 hour and a half. Then when we come back, we add the olives, capers, we dip the tuna in, then we cover, rest for 5 minutes and we can serve. That's how easy is this recipe. But before we do that, just reminding you, for the ingredients and the method and the recipe, you can always log on to our website, robandjays.com, there where you can find much more recipes. They are everyday recipes, they are all easy to follow, and you can find pasta recipes, fish recipes, poultry, pastries as well, and even we have done some menu planning in there. So we do our best to facilitate your daily life basically. And please do like us and share our work, so we encourage more people come and cook in the kitchen. Nice, fresh, lovely, easy as well food. Thank you for that. So now we're going to bring this to the boil, let it simmer, and when we come back, we finish the recipe. So now, after 1 hour and a half, what we're going to do, I'm going to add the black olives there, and the capers as well. And there, look at that beautiful, amazing sauce. Then what we're going to do, I'm going to have some basil in here, chop the basil just a quick chop, add to the sauce, and we are going to turn the heat up. Bring it to the boil. Look at that beautiful sauce. Of course, we're going to give it a good seasoning. Then we will turn off the sauce and we will just dip in that beautiful tuna, as you can see. So now, like I said, this you can eat this tuna raw, basically. So we're gonna dip there the tuna. This is why we have used a big pot in there. And we're gonna dip that. Make sure that the tuna is covered with this sauce, like that. Make sure that it's all covered in there. And we will cover it there. We're gonna serve the tuna with some mashed potato, which I will be doing while the tuna is resting. Okay? And when we come back, we just serve it with the mashed potato. So now, after 5 minutes, what we're gonna do, we just need to serve this beautiful tuna with the mashed potato. So I've got some mashed potato in here. I'm gonna put that on the plate. Then I'm gonna pick up this beautiful piece in there. Look at that. And I'm gonna add, of course, some sauce on top. Some beautiful sauce on top. There you go. If you think you need it a little bit cooked, just turn the sauce back on, bring it to the boil, and turn it off. Simple as that. Remember, the tuna doesn't need a lot of heat. Mediterranean tuna. For more video recipes, please click the bottom right hand corner to subscribe to our YouTube channel to receive more recipe ideas. And thank you very much for watching and have a good day. Bye now. Bye-bye.